Kamala, are you gonna give us all dogs and cats? Squirrel for dinner, cats and dogs too. Squirrels for dinner, cats and dogs too. We're gonna kill the squirrel. Hey, deal with my flicker. It's 73 in Hong Kong. Oh, over in Berlin, it's 65. That's Team Europe, plays Team World. On the satellite, gotta get out, gotta get out. Is all that they give you is code to scan to find the map. Yeah, doubles and tennis, squirrels in a menace. Maybe I can get out of here. Oh. Out, gotta get 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 out. Wow, wow, wow. Oh, that hurts. Get out, gotta get out, gotta get out. Spear fishing, gotta get out, gotta get out, gotta get out. To one leg, gotta get out, get out. Get some children, gotta get out, gotta get out. Oh, oh, I'm in pain. The doctors won't give no medicine. Yeah. Over the fire. Yeah. Eat me up. Oh, too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Prepared for the battle. Oh, the shoes will be coming today after you. DJ Moore and Caleb Williams. Gotta get a barrel or two. That's right. Need to make home explosives for the squirrel and the kids. Rap for the squirrel and the kids. For Diamond Lake, for spear fishing. Like it's a Hunger Games. And you know the spectrums and the meanings, the lines, the cures, the disease. You know, we gotta run for the jungle. Amazon is taking over. Squeeze, gotta get out, gotta get out. Enjoy the sun and put pomade on. Pomade on, pomade on. Enjoy the sun. The summer solstice is past. The equinox of fall. It's a blast, gas. We can just be happy with what we got. It's not a lot, but we'll get by. Oh, be happy with what we got. It's not a lot, but we'll get by. Hey, yeah, happy, grateful. Program our minds to accept, yeah, all equal, all fairness. Oh, we're just animals. Hey, gotta get out, gotta get out, gotta get out. Bird and some fish from Diamond Lake. Hey. I'd like to be a bigger nerd. Cool. Thank you. Kamala Harris, please give us dogs and cats. Kamala, are you gonna give us all dogs and cats? At the Labor Cup, Day 2, 4-all, Team World, Team USA. Alexander Zverev playing Taylor Fritz, live from Berlin. It's
and
all your
cancer
Congress.
from the chemicals.
All your
So
Congress, men and women.
that's in. I don't think it's going to make it, but maybe if you're free
Taking chemicals
and you have a moment,
out of all the
you
products.
could call your congressperson or your senator and say, you should definitely take that out of the bill. You know, it's not, and it's not just Monsanto's or Bayer, it's all the chemical companies that are making all the fertilizers and the pesticides, you know, the things that are supposed to kill stuff. And if it kills you, they're not supposed to be in trouble for it. I think maybe they should get in trouble for it.
The Joker, eat you up. Cats and hunting, come a cannibal. Anger and resentments, you see you gotta let it go. Just make a list, tie them up, put them in a 6-foot hole. Aha, the yoker. The Nobel Prize winner says, we eat ourselves. It's like I'm off to the mosque to say hello. The yoker. By a farm, under a greenhouse dome, there, the robot forces to guard us all. The rest of the world, and we're on our own. The yoker. Medvedev versus Shelton. He's on board versus John McEnroe. It's Europe 7, the world 6. Lord, hear our prayer. Amen. I won't. God bless. Isn't it? Up the seminary fund. Come in peace, go in peace. But now we're going to prepare for the ride to 13.5 billion light years away. So, shalom, kadosh kadosh, kadosh kadosh, kadosh kadosh. Don't try this. This will take you to, you're going to enter the fire. You're going to enter the dragons. You're going to enter. But will you come back? Will you make it home? You'll probably end up in a psych ward, dead or worse. Okay, so God bless. Gesundheit. Watch out for where your soul travels, because it's not Kashmir. It's not space and time. You're entering the divine world, where you're really not supposed to be. Happy fall. Till next time. Do you want your... You might go for a ride to the Big Bang, 13.5 billion light years away, with the Zohar. Don't mess with the Zohar, but we're all connected. Our compassion, our ways, but we're going back to the beginning of time on this first day of autumn, fall, 2024. I think 57:48 or something like that. We'll tape, Joel, and then bear down. Oh, Packers, Tennessee. So, rock on. Need to take a meditation, and then go to Happy People, and reset the space travel time into the divine realm. So, hasta luego. Hope you're doing well. Muy bien. Zapatos Zen. Idiots de Fudo. Blanco. Ringo Porsche. Signing off. Till next time. Enjoy your days and nights. God bless. And Gesundheit. The birds, the birds. Oh my God, from Holy Name Cathedral. It's Cardinal Cupich. Wow. I thought it was Saturday and I was going to temple. But it's Sunday and going to Mass. Bear down, Chicago Bears. We're gonna fight for the right to history. Wowzers. I think that match just ended. And it's 8-7 somebody. Talking about mercy and the Lord will help us, will guide us. So Joel Prosperity Pastor, a little later today, bear down, and Fox News reported that the Catholic Church and the organization's charities are supporting the migrants that are killing and raping us all. So, you gotta be kidding me. You're still alive? I killed you. I thought I did. Get out, get out. Stalemate? One more? Okay. Go Bears. Right? Go Bears. They'll get a win versus Indy, then you can stay right there.